fucking time with all this.
What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management. I just want to let you guys know I am rich. I finally made it. I'm rich. As you guys can see, I have an absolute abundance of wealth right here. So in today's video, I'm going to explain just how you can do the same and become extremely rich. So today, we're going to learn how to turn this into this. So I have a business idea for you guys, so you guys can profit from COVID-19 and become extremely rich. Now, of course, this idea, it's one whole idea, but it's going to be split up into two different ways. So whatever you prefer, whatever works best for you, whatever you have access to, you can use those methods that I'm going to give you and make some money. Now, before I start, I just want to say, make sure you guys are liking the videos, you guys are subscribing, you guys are commenting, and let me know what you guys want to see. Of course, as always, I like to hear you guys' feedback. I like to make videos for you and, just keep you guys entertained during this whole pandemic. So as you guys know, right now, this is scarce. If you got this, you got some big money. But on a more serious note, this is what we're going to do. In this day and age, in this period that we're in right now, which is going to last probably another 3 to 6 months at least, I want you guys to try and use this method to make some money if you can. So, this is the idea. We're going to create a quarantine care package. Now, we're going to create two different types of care package, again, depending on what you like, depending on what you have access to, depending on what suits you best. So the first care package we're going to make is going to have a few different things in there. Things such as antibacterial soap, bottled water, toilet roll, snacks, and I mean lots of snacks, and also a nice little personal message. So in that message, you're just going to offer a nice little word of advice, nice little, memo, or just something, a nice little note to keep people comfortable, to keep, give people comfort, to warm their heart and let them know that everything's going to be okay. Obviously, in this day and age, a lot of people are panicking right now, and it's quite understandable. So we are going to make sure that we provide them with the stuff they need, the essentials, like these kind of things, and ensure that they have exactly what they need to survive this pandemic. So how are we going to get these out to people? How are we going to make the money from this? Well, we're going to set up a nice little website, run some ads towards it, and for about $30 to $45, have our care package there with our antibacterial soap, with our water bottle, with our snacks, with our toilet roll, and our nice little personal message. Now, I don't want you to go crazy with these care packages and start charging people $100, $200 for some toilet roll. But like I said, just set up a nice little website, run some ads to it. If you've got big enough social media following on any platform, just run some sales. Shout out your website, just let people know what's going on. Added to that, depending on shipping, if you're selling your care package at $30, then maybe have them pay for shipping. If you're selling your care package close to $45, obviously don't be too over the top, and maybe you should give out free shipping. On top of that, I want you guys to provide maybe a 10% discount, or let them know that 10% goes towards a good cause, finding a vaccine, something which is to help other people who are in need of help at this time. Just something positive which can help many, and again, 10% donation might be small to you, you might not think it's enough, but it will definitely get people coming to your website and also thinking twice before leaving. So that's our first care package. Make sure those snacks are in there, make sure the antibacterial soap is in there, make sure there's a little bit of water there, obviously the toilet roll that we all need, and of course, the personal message, just for the extra bit of comfort. In our second care package, we're going to do things a little bit differently. We're going to have a thermometer, antibacterial wipes, face mask, hand sanitizer, and also a nice little booklet on how to avoid COVID-19. So you're probably thinking, why would I need a booklet on how to, avoid COVID-19? There's free information everywhere. Yes, there is, but people love convenience. People love, what they already know, but when it's in a book form. People love reading what they already know. People love paying for what they already know, what they could already find out. People love the convenience of someone else putting all the information into one place for them. So I'm telling you, go online. Again, run some websites, or create a website, run some traffic towards it. If you want, create one website where you have the two kind of packages, depending on what people need, depending on what people want. I mean, we know they all want this, and I've got lots of this, but again, you never know. A thermometer might come in handy. Hand sanitizer, a face mask, it can all come in handy. So don't be that person who buys 17,700 bottles of hand sanitizer, because that's not needed. But maybe buy a few bottles, a few different supplies, throw them in that care package, and then start listing it. Now, of course, with this whole idea of, the care packages, I don't want you to become stingy, greedy, absolutely reckless and just charging people, hundreds of dollars one of these. But I do want you to use this time to try something different, make money, because you're helping people and you're not being, too scummy, stingy or anything like that. You're charging people the right amount, you're giving, some money to a good cause, you're helping out other people in the long run. I mean, like I said, $30 to $45 is completely enough. It's a nice, simple idea which benefits everyone in the situation because they get a few different things they need to survive this pandemic. We get the money, we get the supplies, we do the hard work, and we sort out people with what they need. Again, like I said, we're not going to go crazy with this. We're not going to charge people tons and tons of money. We're not going to buy out all the supplies in the store just to sell them online. That's not what we're doing. We're making a care package based on what people will need. Now, of course, everyone is running to the stores and buying, toilet roll, all the hand sanitizer, and you're probably wondering why. I'm also wondering why, to be honest, because quite frankly, when you go into survival mode, what first makes you think the first thing I'm going to grab is toilet paper? What kind of bowel system do people have these days? Let's be honest. With some good food, a nutritious diet, some good exercise, healthy habits, some sunlight, people would be much better off than just, eating horrible food, staying at home doing nothing, and letting their bowels run loose. Once you get the right food and the right exercise for your body, you're gonna be fine. Stay active, stay warm, stay healthy, and trust me, you don't need to take part in all the crazy stuff that's going on. We are not gonna be fighting over this. Well, at least I won't, because I've got a lot of this, and clearly that means money. And right now, this is a lot more valuable than this. Quite frankly, I'd rather have a lot more of this than this. But in all seriousness, I need you guys to, use these ideas and just try and execute it. You never know what can happen. Like I said so many times, the idea here is not to be too scummy and start taking advantage of people. Do not go and order, supplies from China where, things could be infected. Do not go and order stuff which you don't need. Don't go and hoard supplies which you're never going to use over the next, 5 years, 10 years. There are people buying toilet paper which is going to last them the next 6 to 10 years. You don't need to do that. There are people buying hand sanitizer which is going to last them 20 years. You know what I mean? It's just crazy. On the other hand, let me just explain to you guys. Washing your hands with warm water and soap is a lot better than just using hand sanitizer constantly. I'm not sure where these rules are coming up. I'm not sure where people are getting the idea of hand sanitizer, toilet roll being the most important things right now. But again, I'm going to tell you, they're not. That's why in this care package, I've told you to put a thermometer, snacks, a few different things. Just make it nice, make it personal, and of course, show your customers that you actually care about them. So, a lot right now is going on when it comes to coronavirus. A lot of things, are being halted. A lot of people are struggling. So in this time, I want you guys to remember that you've also got to, focus on yourself, build your skills, and of course, profit from it in the right way. A lot of people are going to try and profit from it in the wrong way. That's not what I want you to do. Again, I'm going to keep saying that. But I hope you guys understood the message of today's video. Just try one of those business ideas out, run some ads, create a website, and just see how it goes. Trust me, more people are going to buy from you than not. And of course, as always, without money, we're not going to survive. This is why you have an emergency fund. This is why you have money saved up. This is why you don't go and, take out huge debts. This is why we need to always remember in our minds that things can change at any moment. Make sure you guys keep behaving, do the right thing, and as always, like I said, leave a like, comment on the video, subscribe if you're new around here, and let me know what exactly you guys like to see. So today was a different kind of video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But tomorrow is Financial Friday, so make sure you guys are back here for that one. But I've got money to be making. You've got care packages to be supplying. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.